as soon as I'm coming out, Dufton is giving trouble already.
No, yes, you are.
Yes, you are.
Pass it down, come if you finish a conversation here. Because people are going, no good.
All right, so welcome
Gentlemen, big up on yourself. Ladies, big up on yourself. Gentlemen, why is it so hard to have a conversation with a lady sometimes? They bring up something, and as soon as you want to talk about it, them switch it. I don't want to talk about it anymore.
Case in point, welcome to Daytime Live. It's Friday, and what are your plans for the weekend, Dufton?
I'm stressed out right now. We need for de-stress.
How you want to de-stress?
I need to go to the river or to the beach.
Or to the beach, the ones that open.
The ones that are open.
All right, so due to COVID-19, we cannot have any studio audience present for a while, but you watching from home, at work, wherever, we would love to have you participate nonetheless. So what we want you to do is to send us a video or a photo of you, a family member or a friend watching Daytime Live, and then we want you to post it on our Facebook page with the hashtag Daytime Live and tag us in your IG stories so that we can show it right here during the show.
Okay, so from Facebook today, we have several photos.
Several, wholly.
So people take out to the piece of paper, drop on a column.
And they're going to keep score.
Craigie, Sunny, Duffy. So far, me I lead them.
No, I think Craig and Nisha Yen probably going to lead this week.
Yeah, because
they work
we're sorry for them.
Oh, no.
That's something like a retro picture. Retroactive picture. So first we are from Abigail.
Well, we have a tie. Yeah. Craig and Nisha.
Yeah, Craig and Nisha, nobody gets this vote.
That's a tie.
Because nobody gets it because the two of them
Why
in
you
the
so
picture.
bad mind? Bad mind not wearing, you know people who wear purple shouldn't be bad mind. All right, so the next one, Dania. Nishi.
Nisha, okay. Rupert Ennis. I know this name. Next person is Rupert Ennis.
Nisha Yen.
Yes, yes, you.
All right, good. Then we have Kemar Frasco Don Bent. Nisha Yen.
Yeah,
okay, we're keeping count?
Javon Williams. No, Nisha Yen, I lead that one now.
Craig T. Awesome,
yes,
awesome. Then we have Leah Bennett. Nisha Yen.
Oh, one of the Bennett is her, another Bennett is the baby. Shauna.
Wow, we have to go work for Shauna
TV.
Pat Brown. Nisha Yen.
Did you say Pat Brown?
I did say Pat Brown, but then I changed it to Pat Brown.
Jody and Johnson.
Both of them. That's a tie once more. All right, so guys, don't...
Hold on, wait before you go to
No,
that.
don't beg it.
It's not beg it. I'm just saying, them don't count. It's individual pictures. Like now, let's take some pictures.
You just begged it. You just begged it.
But you posed a while ago.
No, I didn't. I was doing the ridiculous, like, really Duffy.
I like your hair.
Thank you. Really Duffy?
Flash it. And it's hers.
Okay. So, all right, don't forget to connect with us. You can use all our social media options. We have IG, we have Twitter at TVJ_Daytime Live, or go to Facebook at TVJ Daytime Live.
And you can catch back shows via onespotmedia.com, and on YouTube, just search for Daytime Live TVJ. So, buzzing.
All right, let's get buzzing. So it appears Jada Pinkett Smith will be explaining in further detail some of the accusations surrounding an alleged past between herself and August Alsina. This happened on Thursday afternoon following what felt like an endless cascade of memes surrounding the relationship between the two. It was circulating on social media. So Pinkett Smith tweeted that she would be bringing herself to her own Red Table Talk. This happens on Facebook, which she co-hosts with her mom and her daughter, Willow. What could the problem be?
She said there's some healing that needs to happen. So I'm bringing myself to the Red Table. That's what she tweeted. Now, according to TMZ, Jada Pinkett Smith, she has denied the claims that she and Alsina had an affair that was blessed by her husband, Will Smith.
I feel like we should have a moment of silence. So, during an interview with the Breakfast Club's Angela Yee, Alsina opened up about the alleged affair that had been speculated about for years. So the musician claimed that the power couple has an open marriage and that Will knew about the relationship.
Alsina, And wear braces?
I don't know.
I feel like him wear braces on him mouth.
Why? Because him
What
shouldn't
you
say
talk
nothing.
about?
Okay.
Just leave it alone. If this is something that Jada and Will have agreed to,
right,
and you have been a part of the process, what happens there
stays there. Especially if they were in LA.
Otherwise.
But maybe he has his own reasons and intentions why he would bring it forward now.
Jada?
Not necessarily. There could be other things.
Like
you know,
what?
maybe some attention at this time. Maybe
attention?
some PR. You know, maybe to
If
get
you want
them to respond.
If you want attention right now, cough and sneeze, catch the fever and go to the hospital. You're good. You get all the attention. I don't understand why would you?
Okay. Well, I won't ask you the other question.
And on the other side, I mean, whatever a couple, whether outside of marriage or they're married, whatever they want to do.
As adults, right?
I don't think they get
right?
married.
Whatever they decide to do, they consent to it. Is their business. Yeah. So, okay. All right, no problem.
For them thing, make them happy.
Okay, would you do it?
If I would do what? The open relationship? Listen, man, my relationship lock up like entertainment right now.
Wait.
Not happening. I am not running.
No what?
I need a closed relation. I need a closed, nothing not happening. Nobody entering my relationship. And me and the person alone, that is it. Something can come out of the relationship,
but not
like
coming
a child, but not coming in.
All right, so...
Lock up like teeth at your broken.
All right, Duffy, thank you very much. I think we all got that right. It closed.
Bad dog.
All right, so as of today, all beaches and rivers in breach of safety protocols established to curtail the local spread of COVID-19 will be closed with immediate effect. So this warning came from Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Desmond McKenzie, who noted that non-compliant beach and river operators as well as patrons could face possible prosecution under and the rivers last weekend did so without wearing any masks as required under the protocol. So some 66% did not practice social distancing is what Mr. McKenzie pointed out.
And he noted that many operators of these facilities also failed to obey and enforce the protocols, pointing out that among the violations were the hosting of parties and other prohibited events, including a football tournament held at Hellshire Beach last weekend with more than 800 people.
More than 800 people?
All right, like quickly, first and foremost, how if you go to beach and river in a mask? I just ask.
You can,
right now. So you just don't go below neck height.
Let me tell you something. I never thought we would be at the place where some of the places we now visit would be wearing a mask. So if we can do it at the other places that at this point we never could even think that it would happen. You can
visit the river and the beach.
You can go to the beach and you can go to the river in a mask.
But you can't swim in it though.
You're going to go under the water at night, you're not going to swim in it?
Who goes to the river and the beach?
You're not going to probably swim in it, but a lot of the people who go, for example, the football tournament, they're probably not swimming. They're going there to enjoy the company of each other. They're going there to eat and lime and have a good time.
The people know who keep the football match on the brazen bad.
Jamaicans.
Football tournament. Is that even a match?
It's a tournament with over 800 people. Guys, come on.
800 people?
Come on.
No,
so I understand.
Government should charge the whole out and make a 800 million right. That's all.
You know what? No,
fight
and prison are nice.
And donate it to the fight against COVID-19.
Prison don't nice.
Not terrible.
All right, so Ghislaine Maxwell, the British socialite and heiress who became a confidant of disgraced financier Jeffrey Epstein and was later implicated in his alleged sexual...
We'll be right back. Okay. Go.
We're talking to the wonderful Simone Clark Cooper. Okay, so I'm a tissue. Ready? We're so calm.